District Administration. The district administration is the primary administrative unit of the administration. The district administration is the management of public affairs within the district. In district administration, here the management is done within the district. Next, the deputy commissioner, that's what we are calling as DC, is the head of district administration. So this DC also acts as a district magistrate. Here let's see some of the lists that comes under the jurisdictions of deputy commissioner. They are superintendents of police, that is SP, district treasury officer, deputy director of pre-university education, social welfare officer, deputy director of public instruction, district medical officer, deputy registrar, and others. So let's see what are the functions of deputy commissioner. Number 1, law and order and magisterial power. So magisterial power means here this deputy commissioner has both powers such as judicial and executive power within a district. So here it tells that number 1, law and order and magisterial powers. The deputy commissioner also enjoys magisterial powers. Being district magistrate, just now we told that he also acts as district magistrate. So this deputy commissioner, he is being a district magistrate. He maintains law and order and performs the judicial functions in the district. The second function of DC is revenue function. So this function includes maintenance of land records and its assessment, collection of land revenue and other public dues and settlement of land disputes. Assistant commissioner and tahsildars work under overall supervision and control of DC or deputy commissioner. Number 3, developmental function. It includes public health, education, rural development, social welfare in case of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and welfare of backward classes and minorities, and protection of weaker section of society. Number 4, regulatory function. It includes control, regulation and distribution of foods and civil supplies and essential commodities. So this DC or deputy commissioner also controls the matters relating to excise, stamps and registration. Number 5, electoral function. The deputy commissioner DC is a district election officer. Remember this. And he is in charge of elections to parliament, state legislature and local bodies. Number 6, municipal administration. The DC or deputy commissioner is generally responsible for the supervision and proper functioning of urban local bodies. Since it is a municipal administration, obviously this DC will look after the functioning of urban local bodies. The implementation of various developmental and anti-poverty measures for the urban poor is monitored by DC or deputy commissioner. Number 7, disaster management. In situations like floods, famines, accidental fires, earthquakes and other natural calamities, the entire district administration is geared to meet the threat, and DC assumes charge to coordinate the activities of various departments. Number 8, public grievances. Grievances means unfair treatment. If a person who suffers from such an unfair treatment or grievances, so he can directly go to the DC. DC means the deputy commissioner. He also acts as a district public grievances officer, by virtue of which this DC maintains the overall responsibility to ensure proper functioning of all departments in the district. Number 9, land acquisition. Land acquisition in the sense land purchase. He is a land acquisition officer who, this DC or deputy commissioner, he is the land acquisition officer or land purchase officer and acquires or collect land for public purposes, and developmental programs are carried by deputy commissioner. Number 10, census. The national census done periodically is supervised by deputy commissioner.